My people, this is Jackpot Gist with IBK. I said this is Jackpot Gist with IBK. So today na farming I dey talk of. So this na fish pond, but this one na for beautification. So you can have your own place and grow your fish pond. You see, they thought I want to give them food. They are going towards that direction. They can sense me. They can sense me. They can sense me. They think I'm giving them food. They are coming. They feel my walk. So they are coming to the direction. So you can decide, say you won't do fish farming or plant farming in diaspora. It all depends on you. Nobody owe you. You can blend into a comfortable life the way you were in your former place. You can blend it. You can blend in diaspora. So you can decide to do gardening, farming, fish pond, fish farming in diaspora. Don't let anybody tell you this in a lie. You're not true. They tell you. If you be the person will be say fish farming they make you happy, you can decide to have your pond in your backyard. If you be the person will be saying now planting plants around, planting corn, planting anything you want plant, you can decide to have a normal life in diaspora and live a sweet, fulfilling life in diaspora. Now for this channel, you dey hear the truth, or will they tell you as it be? My people, welcome to another session with Jackpot Gist with IBK. You see this is a wood, this timber. So they use this timber to burn charcoal. If you have barbecue machine that you want to use timber and log for, we have it here. They have it in diaspora. So there is sticks, different sticks for farming. See, the life where you they live from where you for come, the life where you they live from where you for come, you can still live the same life in diaspora. Don't let anybody they tell you say you're gonna live a different life. It's a lie. You can still live a farmer. You can still live as a fish rearer, a farmer or whatever. So this is a nursery. So this nursery has different vegetables. This is green. So you can plant your vegetables at the back of your house. You can go ahead and plant at the back of your house. You can see these veggies we use for different soup. This is green leaf. So you can decide. This is tomato plant. This is tomato plant. In most overseas country, they encourage you to grow your vegetables. They encourage you to grow your vegetables all by yourself. So some people will tell you, say, oh, I went to African store, the price of the stuff are crazy, they are too much, they are this, they are that. My dear, you can grow your veggies at the back of your house. You see a grilling machine over there. You can decide to buy your grill and even grill your vegetables. So see, take a look. This is the nursery. This is the nursery. You're going to transfer all your nursery into the main fan or more. Is this veggie not fresh? It's so fresh. You can eat fresh food. So don't follow people where they're going to tell you, say, you cannot eat fresh food in abroad. Say now only burger you go eat. You go eat burger, no go lie for you. But you can still grow everything. You don't need to buy vegetables from January to December because you have enough. You will buy you will grow your vegetables. You will wash very well and put in the freezer. All this, by the time it is harvested, will be put in the freezer. This is green. I don't even know the names of these other ones, but these are vegetables that when harvested is going to last for almost 1 year in the house. It's going to last. So I'm going to take you to the bigger farm where you see those nurseries have been transplanted into the bigger farm with sticks. You can live a normal life in the diaspora. You can. So this is where the major farm where it is transferred into. You see the net. You make your fence, you make your net. This is how to exercise yourself. This is a good way when you live in diaspora, how you will exercise yourself, how you will exercise your body. So apart from you going to the gym, you could decide every week I'll be in my farm. Every week I'm going to dig. I'm going to water my farm. You can live a normal life. Can you see how it's not too much of a big farm, but it's a space. It's a space. So there are some people that will be asking questions like, oh, I'm living in an apartment. I won't be able to grow this kind of veggies because I'm living in an apartment. There are different kind of apartments you have. There are some apartments that would not allow you have like this kind of farm at the back of the house. They would not allow you. But all you need to do is in your balcony, in your veranda, in your balcony, you can have big flower pots, flower vases, where you grow your vegetables. You can grow your okra there, you can grow your pepper, you can grow your tomato. And you know, the most funniest thing is that these seeds are bought from the warehouse stores. So there are places you go and buy the seedlings from, places like the Home Depots, like the Grandmat, like Giant. These are the places you see seeds to buy. So you can buy the plant from the small pot and transplant into a bigger pot, and you can put in your balcony. But if you're living in a home, in a big house like that, in a big home like this, you have enough space for you to do farming, for you to exercise yourself, for you to eat fresh vegetable. And these ones, you know, the most funny thing, if you have a lot of veggies that you already grow at the back of your house, you can easily harvest them, take them to the local African stores around you and sell. They will gladly buy it. They gladly buy these things. They gladly buy it from you. They gladly. So we're expanding the farm. You can see a lot. These ones are growing so much. Then we have the ones that are still just growing because it's just transplanted. It's just transplanted now. So you increase your farm according to the energy and the capacity you have. This is it. So we're going to be creating more of the rig, or how do they call this thing? More of the hips. You see the hip, and you're going to grow. See, let me tell you, we made manure. These manures you see in this veggies, in this plant, were locally made. This, we have eggshells, we have tea bags, we have dead leaves, which we put a little bit of soda on it to make our own manure. Yeah, we do have it. Then we have a piece of rotten fishes we gather somewhere to rotten a little bit. Then we add it here. So we also went to buy fertilizers too from the Home Depot and add to this. So you're saying, so we have them. So this is how we grew our farm and how we make our own local fertilizer. And you that is coming from whatever country you're coming from Africa or from any part of Africa, you already knew how we make farm over there. You can still do the same thing. You can still do the same thing. You can. It's just you to make up your mind that, okay, I want to grow yam, I want to grow corn, I want to grow my own pepper, I want to grow my own tomato, so that you don't spend a lot of money buying pepper, buying tomato, and buying different kind of stuff. So this is the land or the place we just cleared. So we're going to extend the farm to that point. You see it? We're going to extend the farm to that point. So as you're doing this, you're working out. You're exercising your body. You're working out, you're exercising your body. You're growing natural food. So number one gain is you work out. Number two gain is that you have fresh vegetable from January to December. Number three gain is that you can easily carry those vegetables to the local African stores to sell. When people see these fresh vegetables well tied and weighed, they rush it. Under 1 hour, your vegetable is finished. And you know the funniest thing, most African stores are going to buy it because these leaves cannot be seen fresh. They can only be seen frozen. These are things people in diaspora will never tell you. They will only tell you that they are spending lots of money purchasing fresh food, or they cannot even find fresh ugu or fresh vegetable or fresh green leaf to buy. You can grow them. You can grow them. You can live a normal life that is not different from the life you were living from where you came from. You can. Take a look at the farm. Take a look at the farm. We have enough wood. We have enough wood for barbecue, to light firewood, to burn skin, cow skin. We have enough wood. Can you see the farm? Can you see the farm? Can you see the farm? And you see, we still have enough space to extend the farm. We have nurseries. We have a lot of nurseries to grow more plants. So you grow your nursery according to the amount of energy you have. It's not a do or die matter, because we're doing it for fun. You have to learn to do things for fun so that you don't feel like somebody is pressuring you to be productive, or somebody is pressuring you to eat fresh vegetable. So you have to work according to your capacity. So please like and subscribe, and tell me if you love this video. Tell me if you love this video. So me, I dey tell you things where be say they're realistic, and I'm showing you practical examples of those things. I know they tell you things where be say no, they're real. You can live a normal life in the diaspora. You can become that same farmer. You can become that same busherman. You can become that same abattoir worker. You can be anything you want to be, only if you want to be it. Thank you.